What's up guys, my name is Brendan and today I want to teach you a trick called the Spyder. The Spyder is a beginner level transition, so you don't really need any prerequisites before learning this trick. But if you do a Spyder with your hands, it's called a Cali, or otherwise known as a transformer. First, I want to walk you guys through the technique. The Spyder starts in a neutral stance with the chest and hips facing forward and the legs about shoulder width apart. From there, bend at the hips and drive the left leg back and up in a diagonal. As you do this, move your chest in opposition to jump as high as you can in the air with a tabletop spin. As you do this, your chest should be horizontal to the ground, and then once you're in the air, you're gonna switch your legs at the hips and drive your right leg back, ready to swing. You're gonna pick your chest up as well. The Spyder ends in an eagle position. Now I want to give you guys a few tips to use the Spyder in your own combos. The first tip being, when you do a Spyder, it's going to turn you 180 degrees no matter where you start from. So if you start in a backside position, you'll end in a front side position. Or if you start in a front side position, you'll end in a backside position. Same with neutral and reverse neutral. You can use a Spyder as a clever way to switch your stance in the middle of a combo. Second, if you're going to be using Spyder as a setup, make sure you're getting your chest up. So this might involve driving your left leg back extra hard and pulling your arms and right leg back to get you into the perfect eagle. If you do that, your Spyder will be an effective and consistent setup. Third tip, if you have a strong butterfly twist and a strong Spyder, you might be able to do a Spyder twist. The middle of a Spyder looks just like a butterfly kick. So if you apply what you know about the butterfly twist to the Spyder, you can do a Spyder twist. So set up just like you would for a normal Spyder, but instead of switching the legs, looking towards the left and pull towards the left shoulder to twist you around back on your left leg. You still end in an eagle position. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's all I have for the Spyder. A huge thank you to all the patrons who have been supporting the Mastering series. You guys are the ones that keep these videos going, and it means the world to me that you're pledging your support to this program and to getting these tutorials out there. If you guys didn't know, the Ice Collection is available for pre-order. Check that out, links to all that down below. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day.